All right, let's take you now to Port Elizabeth, where the trial of controversial Nigerian pastor Timothy Omotoso has been postponed. The reporter Athi Mtongana is outside court there and joins us live. Athi, good morning to you. So there is a bit of a protest. Who exactly is protesting there?
Crowds have started gathering outside the Port Elizabeth High Court, where the trial of Nigerian pastor Timothy Omotoso just wrapped up. In fact, Judge Mandela Makaula postponing this matter to the 4th of February in 2019. Now, before we get into the merits of what happened inside court, as I said, we are outside the Port Elizabeth High Court where protesters have started arriving. I'm going to ask my colleague to pan and show you that you have members of the Jesus Dominion International Church chanting and singing, and in fact a few seconds ago they were being briefed by their leaders. So what you're seeing right now are people from the Jesus Dominion International Church with their placards out here supporting Timothy Omotoso. Now, but the number, I must mention, has declined from the previous court cases where Timothy Omotoso came inside court. So, and also on this side, I want to show you that there's also members of several and different political party and civil society organizations rather, who are also out here to support the victims. The number has also declined on this side. These protesters have in the previous court cases come out in their numbers to support the victims, like Shulz who's given a testimony here at the Port Elizabeth High Court. So you're seeing a very few number of them today, obviously because some of them have lost, the spirit of coming out here to support the victims. Now, Xoli, what happened inside court today is a postponement that the NPA says could have been avoided had Peter Doberman, the defense, filed the correct and original papers at the Supreme Court of Appeal. Now, Doberman intended to go to the Supreme Court of Appeal to go challenge the two appeals that were made by Judge Mandela Makaula of refusing to recuse himself and also refusing to quash the charges. Now, we are yet to hear from the Supreme Court of Appeal on its decision about Peter Doberman's leave to appeal the two decisions by Judge Mandela Makaula. Now, the state coming out to say inside court that, the defense did not file the correct and original papers according to the SCA registrar. So now we'll have to wait again for Peter Doberman to file the correct and original papers, and then the Supreme Court of Appeal will come to a decision on this matter.
Athi, just an update on the accused. Where are the three accused? Timothy Omotoso, that being, and the two female co-accused. Where are they at this stage?
So, number one, Timothy Omotoso, when stepping into the dock this morning, received a very loud and cheerful greeting and a very warm reception from the Jesus Dominion International Church congregants who were inside court. The wife of Timothy Omotoso was also present in court today. So he came out, he heard what the judge had to say, as well as the two co-accused. The two co-accused, but I must mention that they are out on bail, and Timothy Omotoso is still currently behind bars. So he's back behind bars. The two co-accused have exited the court together with Timothy Omotoso's wife, driven in a X5 BMW, and also when they were stepping out, receiving a very warm reception from the Jesus Dominion International Church members who are out at the Port Elizabeth High Court this morning.